Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. So, this video's problem is 209, minimum size subarray sum. So what's it about? Given an array of positive integers nums and the positive integer target, return the minimal length of a subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to target. If there is no such subarray, return 0 instead. Okay, so what do we need to do? Let's say our target is 7. And we have this subarray here. First of all, one array that would be valid as a subarray that is bigger or equal to 7 is all of them together. So the actual array that we have. However, we want to find the smallest one. And if we look here, we can see 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Okay, this has length 4, but this one is the smallest, so it's 4 plus 3. And we need to find it, so in this case, target is 4, the numbers is 1, 4, 4, it's just the number 4. In this case, target 11 nums all of this, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, not even all of them together would be 11, so the output is 0. So how do we code this? We have an approach, let me just copy this, which is the moving window. So what do we do? Let's say we start with a window that is nothing. So a window that is just like this. And then we expand it to the right. Not sure if you're seeing like my hands. If I move my left hand, then it looks like the right one. So I move it to the right until I find something that is like bigger or equal than the target that I want. So I move it and say, oh great, we found the number, a sum which is equal to 9. And that's bigger than 7, which is what we want. So let's just decrease the window a little until we find either 7 or until it's smaller than 7. If it's smaller than 7, if it's equal to 7, then yes, we found the smallest one so far. And then let's continue all the way to the end of the array and doing this until the array closes, the window closes. So, in this case it would be, okay, our target is 7. So what we need to do is we start with a closed window, we open it, and we have 2. Smaller than 7, continue. We have 5, 6, and then 8. Okay, 8, that's good. So our best length is 4, because that's the size of the window is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's decrease the window, and our current sum is 8. So let's decrease our window until it's equal to our target, or basically until it's smaller than our target, and then we stop. So I just decreased the window, so it's current sum minus the value that I decreased, which is 6. Oh, this is already smaller than the target. Okay, never mind then, so let's keep on increasing the window. We increase, okay, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, we found something that's bigger than the target. It's 4. Well, our best is already 4, so we don't change it. So let's decrease it now. So now we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is length 3, and it's bigger and equal to our target. So yeah, our best is our current sum 7, and our best value is 3, best length. Just to make it clear. And now, okay, so we decrease it once more, trying to find an even smaller value. And we find 2 plus 4 is 6, that is smaller than the target. Okay, never mind. Let's expand again to the right. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So, 9. Great. That's perfect. But the length is free, so we don't update it. So let's do the same thing again. Let's decrease our window. And now 4 plus 3, yeah, that's 7. It's bigger or equal than the target, and the length is 2. Cool. Now let's just decrease it again. Oh, we have 3, that's smaller. Never mind, let's try to expand. Oh wait, we just reached the end of the array. So there's not anything else that we can do. So we just declare the best length to be 2. And that's it. So let's go. Let's write a solution. I actually started this problem before and I came up with a solution, but it wasn't working because I misread the problem and I forgot whose sum is greater than or equal. I was just doing whose sum is equal. For this different problem, the solution is how you close the window. You close the window immediately. You don't start closing sequentially. I think that's the difference, but yeah, I misread it. So let's look at the problem. So we start with, let's iterate through the numbers. So for num and window right index in nums, enumerate nums. If you don't know what enumerate is, it basically just returns the index and the value. It's a cool thing. Iterable start returns an enumerate object that is 0, 1, 2, or and the value. So now we also need to initialize window left index, which is 0. So what do we say here? What do we do? Also, current sum, which is 0, and best length. Let's do infinity. So, what can we do now? We can do current sum is equal to plus or equal, so we increment num. If current sum is smaller than our target, we just continue. Same thing. Else, I'm just going to put the else to make it obvious, but I don't need it because I have to continue here. Else, what do? We check if we try to decrease the left window until the current sum is smaller. So while current sum is bigger than the target, bigger or equal than the target, we do best length equals the minimum of the difference between the window indexes, so the window right index minus the window left index. This will actually bring us a problem because let's say our index here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, but we have 2. Our size is 2, so we need to add another 1 plus 1 or best length, the minimum of best length and our new result. So that's it. And then what do? We also do a window right index, left index plus equals 1. So we're just moving it to the right, we're closing it. And current sum minus equals the nums of window left index. I think that this by itself solves the problem. So we just return best length. If actually return 0 if best length equals infinite, else best length. So let's see, our solution here must be 2. Best length 3. Well, we almost have it. Okay, let's see, where did I go wrong? Current sum is 2. Now we continue. Current sum is 5. Now we continue. Current sum is 6. Continue. Current sum is 8. Okay, cool. So at this moment the right index is 3 and the left index is still 0 as far as I believe. 0 and 3. Cool. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, makes sense. This is our first time that we get a sum that is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1, 6. Oh, actually 8. This sum is 8. Yeah, okay, so while current sum is bigger than the target, yeah, it is still bigger. So best length now is 4. Yeah, 4. Good. Window left index plus equals 1, current sum. Okay, now it breaks. So at the moment our current sum is 5 and our right index is 3 and our left index is 1. Yeah, okay. I just need to keep going. Okay, so right here, current sum is 9 actually. 4, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There should be 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why is it 9? Our current sum was 8 minus numbers of left index, which is 1. Oh. Yep. Found the bug. Let's run this again. Our solution should be 2. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, I think we did pretty well. Sorry for the bug, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.